India is amazing. Every time we went over the Himalayas, and I'll tell you, Butch got some incredible pictures of the Himalayas. Just amazing. When you come from the east going into like Gujarat and Mumbai, the fishing fleet that's off the coast there gives you a little bit of a beacon that here we come.
Our next question on the phone bridge comes from Utarish. Go ahead.
इंडिया इज अमेजिंग ये शब्द मेरे नहीं है, ये शब्द हैं भारतीय मूल की अमेरिकी अंतरिक्ष यात्री सुनीता विलियम्स की। सुनीता विलियम्स जब से 286 दिनों तक अंतरिक्ष में बिताने के बाद नासा और एलॉन मस्क की कंपनी स्पेस एक्स की मदद से धरती पर लौटी हैं, उनकी चर्चा अमेरिका ही नहीं बल्कि भारत समेत पूरी दुनिया में हो रही है। अंतरिक्ष से लौटने के बाद सुनीता विलियम्स और उनके साथी बुच विल्मोर ने पहली बार प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस की। इस दौरान जब भारत को लेकर उनसे सवाल पूछा गया तो उन्होंने न सिर्फ भारत को महान बताया बल्कि अपने पिता का भी जिक्र किया और कहा कि मुझे उम्मीद है और मुझे पूरा यकीन है कि मैं अपने पिता के देश यानी कि भारत वापस जाऊंगी, वहाँ के लोगों से मिलूंगी। इसके साथ ही उन्होंने हिमालय और उसकी खूबसूरती का भी जिक्र किया। सुनीता विलियम्स ने और क्या कुछ कहा, आपको पूरा बयान सुनाते हैं।
Welcome everyone. My question to Suni is that Indian Space Research Organization (ISRO) chief has said that India wishes to utilize your expertise in space exploration. So, is there any scope of hope that we can see you working or collaborating with ISRO, that is Indian Space Research Organization, in future? And second part of this question is, while being in ISS and seeing India from space, is there any moment you would like to share? How does India look from space, Tony?
Opportunity, the second one. Yeah, so
Yeah. Let me address the second question real quickly. India is amazing. Every time we went over the Himalayas, and I'll tell you, Butch got some incredible pictures of the Himalayas. Just amazing. And you can see, like I've described it before, just like this ripple that happened, obviously when the plates collided, and then as it flows down into India, it's many, many colors. I think when you come from the east going into like Gujarat and Mumbai, the fishing fleet that's off the coast there gives you a little bit of a beacon that here we come. And then all throughout India, I think the impression I had was it was just like this network of lights from the bigger cities going down through the smaller cities. Just incredible to look at night as well as during the day, highlighted of course by the Himalayas, which was just incredible as a forefront going down into India. I hope, and I think for sure, I'm going to be going back to my father's home country and visiting with people and getting excited about the first, or not the first, but the Indian astronauts who's going up on the Axiom mission coming up. Pretty awesome. They'll have a hometown hero there of their own that will be able to talk about how wonderful the International Space Station is from his perspective. But I hope I can meet up at some point in time and we can share our experiences with as many people in India as possible, because it's a great country, another wonderful democracy that's trying to put its foot in the space countries, and I would love to be part of that and help them along.
Do you plan to take your crew members on that trip with you?
Absolutely. You might stick out a little bit, but that's okay.
इस बयान के बाद सुनीता विलियम्स की भारत में जमकर तारीफ हो रही है। वैसे सुनीता की बातों से आप कितना संतुष्ट हैं, अपनी राय हमें कमेंट बॉक्स में जरूर बताइएगा। जय हिंद।